Hello all, today I am going to demonstrate how to connect source org to destination orgs for Salesforce data migration with iSync SF. At a high level, org connection follows a two-step process. Step 1 is to create a named credential and step 2 is to create an org master record. Let us see how to create named credentials. First we need to create a connected app. In the source org we will navigate to Setup and write App Manager the quick find box and search. And select App Manager. Click on New Connected App button. We will add basic information for mandatory fields like connected name, API, and contact email. In the second section click on Enable Auth Settings True. For now, we will add a temporary URL in field calls back URL as this needs to be changed later. We will come back to this step again to provide callback URL. In a auth scopes, we have to select two scopes. First, full access. And second, perform requests at any time. It is good to save now, select save. And click on continue. Consumer key and consumer secret will be provided once you save this. We need this information for the next steps. Now we will see how to create authorization provider for named credentials step. We will go to the source org and navigate to Setup and write auth providers the quick find box and search. Select auth providers. Click on New button. Select Salesforce as provider type. Provide all necessary information. Provide consumer key and consumer secret from the previous step. Copy these information from the connected app that we've created in the previous step. Verify your identity. Copy consumer key and consumer secret. Your destination org as production org for provide authorized endpoint URL and token endpoint URL. Your destination org as sandbox org for provide authorized endpoint URL and token endpoint URL. Default scope, enter the value as refresh_token full, then click on save. Once you save, it will provide you the set of URLs in Salesforce configuration section on the same page. Copy callback URL and edit the connected app which we have created in the previous step. And set this URL as callback URL. Now click on Save and Continue. Now we will see the final step to creating the named credentials. We will go to the source org and navigate to Setup and write named credential the quick find box and search. And click on New Named Credential button. Provide the label and name. Then provide the destination org instance URL. It must be Salesforce Classic homepage URL. After that select named principal as identity type. And Auth 2.0 as authentication protocol. Authentication provider, select the auth provider that we've created in the second step. Scope, enter the value as refresh_token full. Allow merge fields in the HTTP header and HTTP body. Authentication status will be pending now. After that click on Save button. You will be redirected to destination org login page. We will enter login username and password. Click on Login button. Allow access, click on Allow button. After that authentication status will be updated as authenticated. Now our first step named credentials have been successfully done. Now we will see the second step to create an org master record. Navigate to App Launcher, find iSync SF app. Click on Org Master tab. Click on New button to create org master record. Provide all necessary information. Name, provide user-friendly destination org name. Named credential name, provide valid named credential name that we have created in the previous step named credential steps. Permission set name, provide a permission set name which exists in the destination org. This permission set would be used when the application tries to create new fields or objects. Click the Save button. Once you the Save button, system will try to validate the named credential which you have provided. If named credential is valid, system will automatically populate the following fields like is active, is production, instance name, org ID, and org name. This is a sync process so it might take a few seconds. Now org master record has been created successfully for connected destination org. Now we can start creating template and data migration process. iSync SF 100% native Salesforce data sync and migration app for managing data across all orgs is available on Salesforce App Exchange. Please visit our official website, get in touch with us to get your free trial period.